what's the process before someone goes in their house? Like, we're all often concerned about people coming in our house. What's the process that you go through with the homeowner before that happens?
Yeah, so obviously the first interactions are usually over, messaging, emails, phone calls, things like that.
Mm.
Um, but the thing that sets us apart in comparison to the other local businesses, I think, is that we do offer like the in-person consult first. So that's
Mm.
the first thing that we do before we've even, taken you on as the client. We actually will come into your home. We want to see what you're asking for. And that way we can kind of get a good sense of all the needs that you need. And then also
Yeah.
you've met us and you're building that trust. You can see if that's something you want to go forward with. And then so then once, let's say, everything gets settled and you're ready to move forward and we're ready to move forward, then we match you up to a cleaner or cleaners, and we actually meet them the first time. And some people might think this is overkill, but I find it just creates the good transition
Mm.
between we can actually
Yeah.
walk through the cleaners through the
Yeah.
house and we can say, hey, this is all the things they were looking for, and there's no sort of awkward tension or whatnot. But then also, so now we're the mutual person that both people
Yeah.
know and can connect with, and I feel like that's helpful for both our cleaners and both of the clients as well.